Today, I'm teaching you guys how we guys can fix a Roblox crashing on iOS. If you're facing this problem, the first thing what you want to do is go on your app store to see if there's any update available for Roblox. So search for Roblox, and after you search for Roblox, if it says open, that means Roblox is up to date. But if it shows you update, then click an update to Roblox. Even after updating a Roblox, if it's not fixed, go inside your phone setting. Inside your phone setting, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you find Roblox. Click on Roblox if you see it, and make sure where it says background app refresh is on. This is on. Try to open your Roblox. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then delete your Roblox app and reinstall that again. Sometimes a bug causes the problems of deleting and reinstalling your Roblox app should fix the issue. If it still doesn't fixes the issue, then you have to check if Roblox server are down. For that, you want to go on your search engine and search for, is Roblox down? Down detector. Once you search for this, the first option, Roblox down, click on it, and it's going to show you if it is down. So it says user indicates no, which means Roblox servers are not down. The problem is with our device. But if it showed user reported problem in Roblox, that means Roblox servers are down at the moment. The only thing we can do is wait until they fix it. So that's how we guys can stop your Roblox crashing an iPhone. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.